Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we are going to be making delicious Paneer Burfi. Super yummy, super healthy, and super sweet. We'll start by adding half cup of peanuts into a pan. Next we're going to roast them for 5 minutes. Careful not to burn them. If they're burned, they're not going to taste that well. So make sure to just slightly roast them. You're going to keep roasting them nicely. And make sure to mix it around. You're going to roast them until you can do this and peel it off in just like a push. Once it's like that, you're going to take a plate and you're just going to crush them. Not crush, but you're going to spread it all around. And then you're going to get the peanuts and the skin off. Once you've got only the peanuts, you're going to put them in the blender. And you're going to turn them into fine powder. So, blend it. Once you're done that, you can see how nice it is. It's really crumbly. And it's, well, perfect. Just right. Now you're going to add some paneer. Make sure to mash up the paneer in your hand before you add it in the blender. Because if you mash it, it's going to be a lot easier. That looks really satisfying though. Next, you're going to add half cup of delicious sweet sugar. And then you're going to add half cup of sweet tasty milk. Now you're going to grind it into smooth paste. Once you're done that, you're going to add in the milk again, the rest of it, and you're going to grind it again. Now, it's a perfect consistency. It's kind of like batter, and this is just what we need. So now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee into a pan and let it melt. Once that's over with, you're going to add your mixture into the pan. And you have to make sure it mixes because you don't want it separated. If it's mixed well, you get a tasty treat. So mix it well. Now you're going to cook it in medium flame. As you can see, it's kind of getting together. It's coming together. You're going to keep mixing until you can really make it come together. So that's what's happening here. And it's also getting nice and thick. This is just right. Now we're going to add something for a little extra flavor. Half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now we're going to mix it around. This is just to give it a little extra taste. You're going to place it into a greased tray and flatten it out. Make sure it's nice and thick, but not too thick. You don't have to fill up the entire tray, just as much as you can. And you're going to sprinkle on some crushed nuts, and you're going to let it cool for 3 to 4 hours. I know that's a long time to wait, but it'll be worth it, trust me. And once you're done waiting for a super duper long time, you can finally cut it into squares. And once you're done, you get this. Yum! You've probably been waiting to eat this since the beginning, so now you get to eat it. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy this super tasty treat. Bye!